The first 3 miles of the trail features lots of candy stick and wintergreen and some huge pine drops. There's also some Prince's pine. And moving into the wet areas, there's lots of wet flowers in the 4th and 5th mile, including some monkey flower, yellow willow herb, beautiful Sierra larkspur, a chickweed of some species, and some bog orchid, alpine speedwell. Moving up, there's a few tiger lilies and a few other flowers as you rise up to Dales Ridge. And beyond Dales Ridge, you'll see the woodland penstemon, lots of white rhododendron, some beautiful magenta paintbrush, and one of my favorites, spotted saxifrage in one spot. Noble Knob is by far the highlight. It's late season flowers, but there's lots of them, and they're extremely pretty. Lots of stonecrop, some wild buckwheats, and some beautiful vistas to go along with the flowers. Campion, and another one of my favorites, Orange Agaceris. There's one patch with lots of these. Campion in large numbers, harebells, and again, just great vistas. Lots of scarlet paintbrush. There were loads of pollinators along the way of all sorts. Some beautiful moths, beetles, bees, and of course, lots of butterflies. Here's a bee fly, a lot of checker spots mostly with the butterflies, a couple checker spots mating, little beetle on this Orange Agaceris, just lovely moth. And, of course, lots of hoverflies. And a fritillary.